Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. Start by locating calendar and tapping on it. Following that, you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner 2 times and just got it. Now tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choose event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting and ending hour, add location over here by typing wherever you wish to and tapping on the correct one. Set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, tap done, change color and even take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always edit it though by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. I will, for example, change an hour, disable an hour completely and tap on the switcher next to all day. Then just save at the top right corner, and if you wish to get rid of your event, you can also do that by tapping on it, but this time choosing those 3 dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!